Hi, today I'm reviewing the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. And if you want to help support the channel, click on the Amazon link below before you make your purchase. So this is a new product from Glow Recipe, and it kind of goes with their watermelon sleeping mask, which I like. Not a fan of the jar packaging, but it's decent. But this one I was a little skeptical. It just looks so pretty from the outside, so how can it be that good? But overall, it's a decent product, and I'm kind of going to go through my list of criteria and kind of give you my thoughts on it. So first I should mention the price, which is $39, and it is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. So actually, compared to a lot of other toners and essences, which this would kind of be in that category, you get a lot more. 2 ounces is decent. However, I must mention, though, the first time I opened it up, it's a little tricky. You have to definitely pull that out really, really tight. And it's got a little pump bottle, which I definitely can appreciate. So, which kind of goes into my first criteria, which is packaging. And they've done a great job packaging this. Actually, the box it comes in is very nice looking, kind of fun. The bottle is kind of textured, kind of beautiful actually looking, but it is a clear bottle. So you're definitely going to want to keep it in a closet or cabinet away from light, because the clear bottle can let in some of the sun's UV rays, which can potentially damage and degrade some of the good antioxidants in this. So, but overall, it's got a nice packaging. I love the pump. It makes it so much easier to use. So I definitely gave that a thumbs up on that. And then the second criteria is if it contains denatured alcohol, and this one does not. So that gets a thumbs up there. And then my third criteria is fragrance, and this does contain fragrance near the very end of the list. So it would be better without it, but thankfully it's at the end of the list, and this definitely does have a good watermelon scent to it. And I can't tell if that's because watermelon is the first ingredient on the list, which actually watermelon's a very good antioxidant. So I can't tell how much of that scent is coming from that or the fragrance. So, little iffy on that, so I gave it a thumbs down on that criteria. Then my next number 4 criteria is the manufacturing location. This is made in Korea, so not any issues there. And then my 5th is ease of use, and this is very easy to use, the pump bottle. And then you would just give yourself a little droplet of it, dime-sized, in your hand. And you would just kind of smear it on your hands and then pat it onto your face. You don't want to rub it on your face. And you definitely don't want to use it to like soak it on a cotton pad and then apply it. That would kind of waste some. But definitely right after you wash your face, have this be the first thing you use and just pat it on your face. And it definitely adds some moisture to your face, which is a very good thing, especially if you're like me with dry skin, or even if you have oily skin. I can definitely see how you would benefit from that. And the number 6 criteria is any antioxidants in there, and watermelon contains lycopene, which is a very potent antioxidant. Lycopene actually definitely can help with, if you have oily skin, it can have some astringent properties there, but that doesn't mean if you have dry skin that you won't benefit from it as well. So definitely gets a very good thumbs up on that. And it also contains skullcap extract, and there's a long word for it, but that's kind of the word used in all of the dictionaries I have. And skullcap extract is a very potent antioxidant as well. So it also contains that. So it's got several good antioxidants that are highly up on the list of ingredients. And skullcap can also be kind of soothing. So if you have dry skin, you can definitely get some bonus relief from that. Actually, they make skullcap tea, which I think I've heard of before, but I didn't know a lot about it. But it can definitely calm people down. So skullcap taken internally is good for you, and on the skin it's also a good antioxidant. And then the number 8 criteria I have is how it performs or performance. And actually, I use a Tria and an Illuminage laser, usually at night, and I've been applying this to my face. I'll cleanse my face, and then I'll apply a little bit of this, and then I'll use the laser, and I can definitely feel it helping soothing my skin, because that Illuminage laser, man, does that hurt. And I'm at the low setting, and I actually get 200, I'll have to review it, but you get 200 pulses, and I've been up to 100 pulses, and I can't take any more after that. But this definitely has helped kind of calm my skin down and keep it hydrated through the laser. So definitely is helping perform and definitely moisturizing my skin. And number 9 is the price, and $39 is a little pricey in my opinion for something in this category, but you get 2 ounces. In most equivalent products, you get about 1 ounce. So it's actually not that expensive. And if you're just using a dime size amount, a little bit goes a long way. So I still gave it a thumbs up on the price. And then the number 10 criteria is the it factor. And in my opinion, this definitely has an it factor to it. The watermelon sleeping mask went like crazy. It was sold out and sold out and sold out. And I finally got one. And I'm expecting the same thing will happen with this. And I'm loving this category of things. And Glow Recipe, they don't have a ton of products out there, but the things they do have out there are pretty good. So let me give you a little, the one thing now, if you notice, this has a pink tone to it. This contains, I'm probably going to butcher the name of this, but it contains Alkane Tinctura root, which is a red dye that's used in actually a lot of products. And it doesn't have any benefits to it for the skin, but it has a red dye, so used in smaller amounts you can get a pink tone to products. So they've been using that in a lot of skincare products. It doesn't have any benefits, but it gives it that pink look. So there's nothing wrong with them using it, but it would be probably better without it, but it wouldn't have that beautiful pink look to it. So anyway, that's just a side note that I did want to mention to you guys. And I just noticed my nail polish matches today, so I don't know if there's any of that Alkane Tinctura root in that nail polish or not, but anyway, just a side note. So, but overall, this got 9 thumb up points, so it definitely garners 2 thumbs up. So that's kind of my new rating system. So definitely a good product to check out if you're in the market for something like this, a toner essence type product. But overall, if you're using a decent one to begin with, it's not anything you need to rush to the store to get. But definitely something worth checking out if you are out of a current essence or toner. So anyway, enjoying this product. I was kind of surprised that I actually liked it as much as I did. Sometimes products like this, when they're kind of like the it product of the moment, I am very hesitant and they kind of get more buzz than they're usually worth, but this one's definitely a decent product. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to check this out yet or not, and if so, what your thoughts are. And also, if you've used the watermelon sleeping mask, what did you think? So I'm definitely going to be kind of combining the two now and seeing if there's any kind of a boost from the sleeping mask from using this in addition to it, but haven't got that far yet. But anyway, so leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least 1 new review every day, and check out nobsbeauty.net. Thank you so much, guys.